most of the planets orbit in a circle. Not exactly a circle, but pretty much a circle around the sun. Well, Pluto doesn't. Pluto's is egg-shaped. It's really odd. Closest to the sun is actually inside the orbit of Neptune. This is the average, and this is when it's farthest away.
Have you been here before? Yeah, we have. I got my necklace from here.
Hello.
Hi. Thank you.
Hi.
Here we are.
We're going to be talking about the moon. So we're going to be doing a couple of activities that are related to the moon. One of them starts with this wheel right here.
How we do it? We put our finger right here.
So what if we call the moon looks like this?
That's long.
Not here.
All right, from new to full has one name. This set of moons are going from full to new has another name. This is a waxing series of phases. What does waxing mean?
Oops. Oh no, I didn't do it. I thought I did.
Hold that up. I don't want to do it like this. Just gonna get it in there, right?
Once you get it all together, you can follow the phases of the moon through every month.
Why did you? But it works. It works. Okay.
All right, so set those aside, and we're going to use
See how I did that?
two more things on your
You
table.
gotta
We're going
kind
to
of
use a
bend it a little
yardstick,
bit to get
and we're going to
back.
use the Play-Doh, and make a model of the Earth.
Yeah.
That's an inch across, 1 inch. Make a nice round,
One to this side. One.
inch wide Earth. All right, so do this. On your clip, you're going to insert your toothpick so it holds the Earth. Right there. Make the average distance between the Earth and the Moon, average because it varies month, is about 240,000
I
miles.
wonder what happened.
So if you do some math, how many Earths would you need in between the Earth and the Moon to get
You're at the
30?
3-inch mark, then come down to 33.
Where does the Moon belong?
33.
33. These guys over here had it way ahead of all of us.
So move that. Is that where it is already? Close?
33, so yeah,
Is it flipped though, right?
it worked
I
out.
thought you guys had it at 3.
So put your
Yeah.
Earth on a
Oh,
table.
it's on the other side.
It's both. Yeah, it's double-sided.
Okay, so we
So
just
move that to
right
3.
there.
Yep.
Move the
Put your
3.
clip at 33.
So your idea was brilliant.
Right
You were
there.
like 33. So
A lunar eclipse is when 2 weeks later, the orientation is a little different. Sun way over here is shining on the Earth, and the Earth is casting a shadow. But the Earth's shadow is so big it covers up the entire moon. That's why I have these lights here, so you can pretend this is the sun. And one of the things you could do, these will sit on the table like this. So you can line them up and try to get the sun to shine so you get a shadow on the moon to show us a lunar eclipse, or you can turn it around, you do both, and get the moon shadow to fall on the Earth to cause a solar eclipse.
you see that now? See the effect?
That's cool.
Very cool.
There you go. Maybe we should try. I'll try.
You want to try it? See if you can create an eclipse.
Okay.
Go first. What you got?
Oh, look, you see the shadow on the chair. That's nice.
Here, there are about 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 of these eclipses around the Earth. We'll try something else. How about baseball here? If we look up in the sky, would this be about the size of a full moon? Maybe the golf ball we had before, so
That might.
we're looking at the full moon in the sky. Would this be a good size to represent the full moon holding out at arm's length? That'd be a good size full moon. Can you hold this one?
tiny.
You're getting bigger or smaller?
Smaller. Smaller.
I have this nice little blue marble. If you looked up in the sky, imagine the full moon in the sky. Is that about right?
No.
I have one more. See if I can find it.
Could be that tiny.
This tiny little pill.
Oh.
All right, so everybody hold your objects up so people can
Swallow
see.
the moon.
So I want you to imagine again, you're looking at the full moon in the sky. One of these represents the true size of the full moon, not really from where you're sitting, but as you would hold it at arm's length. So I'm going to take some of them away so we can eliminate a few. So let's see, I'm going to take away the golf.
My pillow's not going anywhere.
So you can sit down, thank you.
My pillow's not
Not
going
the
anywhere.
golf ball, the marble.
Oh, uh-oh.
All right, so we had some golf ball guesses, we had some marble guesses. Now we have 3 left. Softball,
Uh-oh.
the softball.
I'll buy softball. It's gotta be.
All right, last chance. How many people think the baseball?
Uh-oh.
How many people think the pill?
Like that.
All right, half of you are right, thereabouts. So I'm going to take away baseball. You guys are really good. Most people pick out baseballs or softballs because that moon looks so big in the sky. It's got to be one of these huge objects. This is hard to imagine, though, holding that up, that it would cover the entire moon in the sky. Sometimes that's hard to picture, hard to imagine. But if you go outside tonight, you'll see a quarter moon in the sky. It hasn't gotten cloudy. You probably don't have a pillow with you, but what you could do, hold up your little pinky. That will cover up the moon. That's all you need.
I would avoid the front row.
It's a big dome.
Digital planetarium. I'm going to be back there behind the computer. I get to control outer space from back there behind the computer. It makes me feel pretty powerful. The first show we're going to do tonight is I'm going to show you a full dome movie. Pretty short movie, only about 20 minutes